Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very interesting and important because we are going to discuss about TCS intentionally missing the Labor Ministry meet or not, Microsoft's AI prediction for the future jobs, Infosys and Mr. Salil Parikh's prediction about 2x hiring, and we will also discuss about mid-level and senior level employees who are in the spotlight this week because of TCS 12,000 employees layoff, that is 2% of its global workforce. We will discuss about system not picking up the resumes for senior employees. Without wasting any more time, let us move forward. The number one thing is coming from TCS's side, wherein the NITS, which is Nascent Information Technologies Employees Senate, which is basically a body which is representing the IT employees specifically, they mentioned that TCS illegally fired 1,200 employees and has delayed the onboarding of more than 600 employees with the Ministry of Labor and Employment. And that is the reason the Chief Labor Commissioner invited and asked TCS for a clarification and justification on this particular matter and created a meeting scheduled, right? But TCS officials did not come to the meeting, they skipped the meeting. Instead, what they did was they have submitted a written response via email, okay? And they have also mentioned that prevailing the global market conditions, TCS did not onboard the candidates, but they are going to give all the onboardings as soon as possible depending on the business conditions. Yes, you heard it right. Now, there can be some kind of action that may be taken by the Chief Labor Commissioner with TCS and the stakeholders. Okay. The next thing is coming, that is, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that, and share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry. Next thing is the Microsoft research has identified almost 40 jobs. Okay, out of that, I'm showing 15 jobs that can become absolute. For example, if okay, so here you can see that the jobs which will not get absolute, right? So all the jobs which will be there in the future as well, these are the top 15 jobs, and the jobs which will be gone in the future. Let us discuss first that, right? So interpreters and translators, this job will be gone. Passenger attendants, sales representatives of services, it will be replaced by chatbots, AI bots, and other things. Writers and authors also, because AI can get a very good capability of writing. If you want a story that you want to read that is in your particular niche, right, you can ask the AI to write the story also, right? Customer service representatives, CNC tool programmers, telephone operators, lot of things, clerks, bank and home management, educators, telemarketers, lot of things, right? Now, the thing is that what are the things that will be remaining in the future? A lot of scope, right? So these things will be having a lot of scopes. Phlebotomists, right? Nursing assistants, hazardous materials removal workers, helpers, painters, plasters, emblemers, right? Plant and system operators, and all other things, right? Oral and maxillofacial surgeons, right? Doctors and basically people who are surgeons, right? Oral and maxillofacial surgeons, they will be having a lot of scope in the future when it comes to AI and competition to AI. Then you can go and have a look at automotive glass installers and repairers, ship engineers, tire repairers and changers, okay, prosthodontists, helper production workers, and all these things, right? So this is the thing that is happening in the IT era. The next important thing is coming from Infosys, where Salil Parikh, who is the CEO of Infosys, recently mentioned that with the strong utilization rates and strategic investments in AI, the position of the company continued for expansion as clients are accelerating digital transformation initiatives, and that is the reason they are having good amount of projects and they can induce a lot of people on projects. That is the reason they are going to college and they're going to hire around and recruit around 20,000 employees or 20,000 freshers, so to say. In the era where other companies are firing, Infosys is doubling down on the hiring at college level and graduate level. So this is a very good thing for a lot of freshers, because a lot of colleges and fresh graduates, they look for companies like Infosys and TCS to hire them on bulk, right? So this is the thing that is happening again in the IT when it comes to Infosys. The next point is coming from a very viral post wherein a person on LinkedIn recently mentioned that after 46, it is difficult for you to get into a serious opportunity, a serious position. Why? Because you have already been through an era wherein you are at a position, at a time wherein you have to give time to your parents, you have to give time to your children, you are having other dependencies also. Okay. So here, this person on LinkedIn mentioned that she has been watching the leadership for 25 plus years, and every time she's able to come forward, okay, capable, experienced candidates, age 50 plus, the response from the HR is almost the same. Let's hold for now. Maybe too senior for the role, and no response at all. So this is again second thing. And along with that, because we have been continued to rely on our resumes to open the door, but after a certain age your resumes alone stops working. So there are some other things that she has mentioned. You can go and check out the entire article. You can pause this video and try to understand what this HR is basically saying. Okay, so the next thing is, I have already discussed this particular point, right? So I just want to ask you all guys, what do you think will be the future jobs which will be having a lot of demand? I know that people who write AI, people who are building AI applications, okay, a lot of other things that are happening, right? So this list does not contain anything related to AI. So that is it, or computer scientists or even programmers, software developers. So that is the reason I want to ask you guys, what are the jobs that you think will be in demand in the future? Do let us know in the comment section. We will be happy to read all your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry. Thank you and have a great day.